Are you looking for a way to motivate yourself and ramp up in October? I have a 21-day October spooktacular strength and fitness challenge just for you. Stay tuned. Let me show you one of the workouts in that challenge. Hello, my friends. Happy Monday and welcome to week 2. We're going to start off our Monday with another strength workout. For this one, you'll need a set of dumbbells and space to work. And remember, with the dumbbells, if you're rehabbing, you can always just use your fists. That works too. In today's workout, we have high knees marching to warm up. From there, we go right into lateral side step squat. From there, we're going into tricep kickbacks. So we're coming back, locking our shoulders, locking our elbows, and kicking back. Last move is a wall sit. And we're going to repeat this circuit 3 times. Let's get right into it. I'm going to use a timer on my Apple Watch for our 30 seconds. And our high knees march. Now, high knees means as high as you can comfortably lift your knees. What we're working with this is our hip flexors and our core. Very important. I know it seems like we're not doing a lot, but trust me, a couple of rounds or 30 seconds of this, and you're going to feel it right in here. Also aids with balance. Okay, 30 seconds are done. Now we're going to go grab our dumbbells. I'm going to do the lateral side step squat with dumbbells. You don't have to. We're on 6. One more. Coming up from that, we're going to go into our tricep kickbacks. Hinge at the hips. Lock your arms to your side. And the only thing that should be moving is from your elbows down. Nice and slow. 8 reps. There's 4. Putting our dumbbells down. For our wall sit, get yourself positioned, nice and tall, as low as you can, back, and head should be against the wall. We're going to look for our 30 seconds here. And here we go. You can do whatever you want with your hands, doesn't matter. You are keeping your back nice and flat against that wall. I'm going to glance at the camera, but you should be looking straight ahead. Now, as you get better at this, you can extend the 30 seconds up to as long as you want. Okay, that was round 1 of 3. Going back to the beginning, we're going to hit that 30 seconds again and go into our high knees march. Picking up our dumbbells, turning our timer off. Or if you're not using dumbbells for the squat, that's okay too. So we're lateral side step, squat, 2, and 8. Getting ready for our tricep kickbacks. Lock those arms down. Nice and slow. Putting the dumbbells down. Going into our wall sit. Back nice and flat. Get in position. Hit that timer. You might think this looks relaxing until you try it. And if it's not challenging, drop yourself a little deeper. Now remember, we have one more round after this. And done. Hit that 30 seconds again into that high knees march. Timer's done. Picking up our dumbbells. Getting ready for the squats. It's 5. One more. Okay, going into our tricep kickback. Hinge at the hips, lock the elbows down, and kick back. Put the dumbbells down. Back against the wall. Last wall sit, last movement, last round. Hit those 30 seconds. Drop down into that wall sit. Pat yourself on the back. This is a great job. This is not an easy workout. Looks easy on paper. And done. And there you have a simple strength circuit workout that you can do anywhere anytime. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. This was another day of our 21-day Spooktacular October Challenge. There's still time to jump in if you would like to. The link is in the description below. I do these 21-day challenges every single month. Every month has a different theme. Every month has different exercises, different nutrition tips, and different meditation and mindfulness and stress reduction ideas. So jump into one of my challenges. They're a great way to restart or get started. Check it out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing helps us. It helps me continue to bring you the content that everybody loves. So subscribe, drop me comments, because I do use those comments to determine what I'm going to do for you next. Just let me know how you're doing. And most importantly, see you next time online.